Hey there, beautiful soul. It's Michelle, and welcome to our Friday Flow. Before the weekend begins, let's loosen our grip on this week together. You don't need to carry everything forward into this weekend with you. You don't have to hold it all together. You don't have to explain your exhaustion. You don't have to justify your need for rest. Let this weekend be quiet. Let bravery take a breath. Let courage soften into gentleness. Strength doesn't disappear when you rest. It restores itself there. The courage that carried you this week is allowed to settle, to exhale, to be held. Your beautiful affirmation for this weekend is this weekend, I flow in quiet courage and grace. Again, say this beautiful affirmation with me. This weekend, I flow in quiet courage and grace. So let your heart rest. Let your body soften. Let yourself be held. You've done enough. And you, exactly as you are enough. As always, be brave, be strong, be kind to everybody, and always be mighty. Love ya. Have a wonderful weekend.